In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wood round door hanger with your Cricut. This is an easy, customizable project that you can use to decorate your home. I've got the full tutorial coming right up. Stick around. Hey there, I'm Sarah, and you are watching Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and we are diving into yet another beginner project that's going to help you learn about your machine and create something beautiful for your home. If you're new to Cricut and you want more beginner tutorials, check out this playlist right here. Today, we are going to make a really popular wood round door hanger. We're going to embellish it not only using the Cricut, but with some paint, some ribbon, and some floral stems as well. So let's jump in. I'm going to show you what you need. So you're going to start with a round wood circle, a few floral stems, ribbon, some paint, the Cricut machine of your choice, and some black vinyl. So on the wood round, I'm going to use some masking tape or some painter's tape, and I'm going to color block this a little bit here. So I'm going to add this light pink color to the middle, and then remove the tape while it's still wet, and then I'm going to add a subtle gray color to the top and the bottom. That pink portion is where I'm going to put some black vinyl lettering. Are you a Cricut user? Comment down below. Let me know what machine you have or what machine you want. While that's drying, let's go over to Design Space and design our words. On a blank canvas, I'm going to choose the text tool and type welcome. Then I'm going to select my font. I want a script font for this. Once I have my font chosen, I'm going to size the word appropriately. Then down in the bottom right here, I'm going to select weld. This is going to hold all the letters together and cut them as one long word. I'm going to select make it and head over to my machine. On my mat, I have loaded up a piece of black permanent vinyl, and I'm just going to let the machine cut out the words for me. Using a weeding tool, I am going to pull off all that excess vinyl that I don't need, and then pull out the middle of the E's and the O. Now I'm going to use a piece of transfer tape to get this word welcome from my mat to the wood sign. So just push it on there really well with a scraper tool, and then pull off the backing. Now over on my completely dry wood round here, using the scraper tool, I'm going to push down really well, just burnish it into there, and then slowly pull off the transfer tape. Now I'm going to embellish this with a bow. This is some wired ribbon, and I'm just going to hold it in the middle here, kind of pinch it together, and create loops on either end. You could do just 2 loops, you could add 6, 8, 10, however many you want. Once you're happy with the amount of loops, cut off the ribbon and use a little floral wire to just tie it together in the middle. Then you can cut a small piece of ribbon, use a little hot glue, and wrap that around the center of the bow. Gives it a beautiful finishing touch. So I'm just going to trim off a few pieces of these yellow and pink flowers. Now using hot glue, I'm going to attach everything to the wood. I'm going to be generous with that hot glue to really make sure this stuff stays in place. I'm placing the floral picks first, and then finally I'm just going to add the bow right to the top. The last thing I'm going to do to get this to hang is on the very back, I'm just going to take a piece of twine, knot it at the end, and use a staple gun to attach it so that I can hang this door hanger on my front door and welcome everyone in. This is an easy beginner Cricut project that you can customize. You can add your name, your address, whatever message you want to this door hanger and make one for your home. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I hope you're inspired to go start creating. And if you like what you see here, consider subscribing to Creative Ramblings. I have new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching.